Join full course of SYJC, Organization of Commerce and Management, for Rs 590 only, all inclusive. What is Confidence Educare? Confidence Educare is a team of experienced and dedicated teachers with over a decade's experience in the field of teaching and paper assessment. We have devised a unique way of imparting conceptual knowledge to students through app-based learning. Learn digitally through our concept of listen, write, and understand, and achieve success with confidence. What are the features of app-based learning? Comprehensive e-notes with audio, audio-visual explanation, animated MCQ practice, digital guide to textual questions, 3 most likely question papers, and model answers. What is the achievement of Confidence Educare? Achieved first ranks in HSC board exam, Commerce. What our toppers say.
Hello, this is Isha Damle. I secured 98.7% in HSC Board Examinations March 2020. Along with regular studies and guidance from my college and class teachers, what has truly helped me to achieve this success is the guidance and support of Confidence Test Series. Practicing more and more papers is definitely the key to ace your board exams, and the 3 sets of confidence papers helped me to know the areas where I was lagging and to improve myself. The teaching faculties are always there to solve all the queries of their students, and I receive their immense support in my journey of board examinations. Also, the concept-wise notes and the last-minute revision key points or flow charts are also very helpful to understand the concepts easily. So, keeping to its theme, confidence has actually helped me to gain that confidence to approach my board exams and achieve the desired goal.
Hello, this is Anisha Vaishampai. I was a student of Confidence Educare in the academic year 2018-19. I secured the first rank in the HSC board examinations, which were conducted in March 2019. These test series perfectly complemented my in-depth study. They gave me the exact idea of the desired writing speed, which proved helpful especially in my theory subjects like economics and English. And because of this, I was able to complete all my papers at the correct time in the board examination. They are a very good opportunity for self-evaluation. The regular checking which is done in the Confidence Educate actually helped me to understand my mistakes well beforehand. They gave me a very clear idea of the board's paper pattern as well. Even in these trying times, Confidence Educare has come up with a very innovative, student-friendly learning experience. They will continue to motivate and inspire the students so that they can reach the pinnacle of success. So, now if you want to achieve your goal in the board examination, I will surely recommend you to join Confidence Educare. Thank you.
Hello, Hariharan. This year, I stood first in Maharashtra in the HSC board examinations with 96%. And of course, Confidence Test Series has played a pivotal role in the same. There were 3 tests conducted for us in each and every subject, and it seemed as if the entire syllabus got covered. And when I was writing the final board exam, it felt as if I was repeating the entire thing again. There was nothing new in the papers, and it felt very easy to write the paper. We also learned a lot about the presentation of the papers. We were guided by the experienced moderators in Confidence Test Series. They helped us a lot by checking our papers and giving us the apt guidance at the apt time. And we were well prepared quite early because we started 3 months earlier than the board exams with the Confidence Test papers. And these 3 papers helped us to completely brace ourselves and enter the examination hall confidently.
How to take admission for SYJC, Organization of Commerce and Management. Download Confidence Educare app from Play Store, or scan the QR code, and subscribe SYJC, OCM, for rupees 590 only, all inclusive.